I'm going to work on the arrow right now. I've been dreading this because I don't know how I'm going to do it. So I'll just get started and see what happens. I'll have a video at the end of this video of my trip to Livingston last Friday, and where I worked on Under Heaven's Roof to get it ready for casting. I'm coating the arrow in monster clay because I want to do the feathers at the end of the arrow in monster clay because I think they'll probably hold up better than JMac clay. If you're wondering why my voice sounds kind of weird, it's because I've been coughing a lot this weekend. And got a lot of congestion that I'm dealing with right now. I've got a doctor's appointment this Thursday, so I'll ask him about that. Actually, I got 2 doctor's appointments on Thursday. All right, I'm going to go ahead and paint the arrow to match the clay. I'll finish those fingers when I can take this off the turntable and tip them backwards to work on them. The paint that I put on the feathers on the arrow will help solidify them to the arrow shaft, or whatever you want to call it. All right, now let's move on. All right, for me to start the hair, I've got to do the ears first. Ears are not hard to do, you just have to practice doing them. I would suggest making ears by themselves large, just to practice the shape and how they're structured. Now, I don't have to worry about it too much on this size and scale, but I have to get it somewhat right. But I don't want to get too complicated because it may not all show. Now you can see why I did the ears first. Oops. Don't destroy the ear, Dave. I'll have to adjust that ear a little bit. I'm experimenting here with the hair. I don't know if this is going to work. I just want it to show that the hair is split off from the main body of the hair. I'll put up a photograph of what the hair looks like, the hairstyle, and I think you'll understand what I'm doing. They took a lot of pride in their hair, and they brushed it a lot. So it's really fine and well groomed, actually. I don't know if this is going to work or not yet. Just trying it. Sorry, I keep hitting my camera because it's right next to my face. That's why I sound like I'm breathing so loud. The mic on the camera is very good. Picks every sound up. All right, I've got the braids on both sides of his face, and I'm starting on the back of the hair of the warrior. I got the bow attached, I've got the arrow attached, I've got the hand to do on the bow hand, but it's coming together, slow but sure. Still got work to do on the loincloth in the back, and a lot of work to do on the hair. I'll keep playing with it until I get it right. All right, I'm gonna have to call it quits for today, and I'll hope you enjoy the next video. of me at the Foundry in Livingston, Montana. Well, I'm here at the Foundry here in Livingston, and just going over the clay, and I see a couple little nicks on the arm that need to be fixed. What I'm basically doing is just going over it. It's been sitting in the gallery in Jackson Hole for a couple years, along with a couple other clays I've got, and I'm just trying to get this thing corrected where I need to get it corrected at. It looks pretty darn good for having sat in the gallery for those couple years, and it's a beautiful day for driving today. Okay, a couple of nicks up there. Alright, it's time for me to sign this clay. Now this is a signature I came up with in high school, and I've kept it ever since. Put the copyright. Copyright's good for my lifetime and 50 years after. And the edition number.
Couple good shots, maybe. Seven iron, couldn't see anything. I didn't see one ball.
All right, everybody. Have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.